If you don't like spending hours on makeup but still want that glam look, then this quick tutorial is for you. First things first, we're starting with a flawless base. Grab your hydrating primer and choose between a matte or dewy foundation. Remember, matte for vintage vibes and dewy for a modern twist. Next, let's add a soft wash of color to the lids with a light neutral eyeshadow. Think beige, taupe, or champagne. This gives your eyes dimension without stealing the show. Now the real star, sharp-winged eyeliner. Use a liquid or gel eyeliner and create a clean, defined wing. Pro tip, start with small strokes and build up to your desired thickness. Time for that bold red lip. Outline your lips with a red lip liner for precision, then fill them in with your favorite red lipstick. Blot with a tissue and reapply for that long-lasting color. Finally, add a subtle contour for definition and a touch of highlighter on your cheekbones, nose, and cupid's bow. And there you have it, the classic red lip and winged liner look. Chic, sophisticated, and always in style. Let me know your favorite red lipstick in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.